Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn how to block someone on Instagram. You need to place on your profile, place on the three lines on the upper right corner, click on blocked, click on the plus icon. Here you can block as many people as you want. Let's block this one. This will also block any other accounts that they may have or create in the future. Then we'll need to place block. So guys, as you can see, this person is blocked. We can even block another one. Let's block this. The same thing, block. Now we've blocked two people. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.